If you guys are tired of spending hundreds of dollars on Valorant skins, then this video is literally made for you. You guys know every time there's a new bundle in Valorant costs you hundreds of dollars and there's a lot of skins that people want. So what if I tell you there's actually a way to unlock every single skin in Valorant with just one click? And you not only just unlock every single skin with this tool, you get to use the skin. There's animation, there's kill effects, there's basically every single thing, and you will own every single Valorant skin, not just the ones that we have currently, but every single skin that will come out in the future with this tool. And it works pretty simple. It's not bannable. You can see I don't have any skin in my account right now, but after the tool it unlocks every single skin: your knife skin, your operator skin, your vandal skin, your phantom skin. You will have almost every single skin that is possible in the game of Valorant without spending a fortune. So click in the link in the description, join the Discord server. We have 24/7 live support if you guys have any questions, and trust me, it's 100% worth it. After I got this tool, I never spent a single dollar on Valorant skins.